Nih gue buat jaga-jagain, gue screenshot aja nih. Ya kalau gue mau pulang langsung aja. So you got 2 jobs.
Yeah.
I mean, one is not enough, eh?
I was training. No,
So I'm like,
it's,
obviously you working McDonald's, so many people coming in and out.
But I feel like because I work at my other job's working in a nursery, I feel like I deal with children. And I come here and I'm dealing with more children. Like,
Yeah, probably it's better dealing with children.
yeah.
Right guys, cuci mobil udah selesai. Ini hasilnya nih. Oh, nice. Ya, kasih nilai 8 lah. Ini buat bannya nggak benar nih. 7 kalau gitu guys. Oh, lihat nih, tadi jelas ya. Oh bloody hell, dia tadi, oh enggak. Saya coba lihat dalamnya nih, harus bersihin lagi sih. Nih. Apa lantai. Cuma biasa sih itu. Right. Ngomong-ngomong gue udah balik di Canvey nih ya. Udah balik di Canvey lagi. Gue udah beli nih alas buat tempat duduk nih. Sedikit lambat tapi ya nggak apa-apa lah. Jelek sih sebenarnya ya. Gue mau bilang pertama kedua gue pakai alas ya, emang nggak bagus sih, cuma itu ya intinya melindungi apa jok gue. Paling nggak udah dapet mobil udah bersih lagi lah. So ya guys, seharian nih ya. Tuh lihat nih. Oh, pas lagi dapet job. Danny 7 Lincoln Way. Ya, 5 pound job. Ya, sekalian update guys. Ya jam 1 ya, jam 12.59, jam 1 lah. Gue baru di 167. Tadi gue bilang apa ya, jam 12 ya. Minimal 150 ya. Iya jam 12 kurang lebih. Cuma ini karena gue hitung-hitung 1 jam ini guys. Gue cuma 1 jam. Tadi kesana dikasih 20 pound. Sama gue cuci mobil. Jadi hitung-hitung ya 1 jam belakangan ini. Dari jam 12 sampai jam 1 itu gue cuma 20 pound. Ya cuma karena itu kan cuci mobil. Ngomong-ngomong 200 sih pasti dapat. Ada orang lagi datang nih. 200 pasti dapat. Nih. Kerja di tip nih, tip tempat sampah ya di sini. Pusatnya. Right, let's go. Jemput Dani, kita ke pusat kota. Alright guys. See you later. Alright guys. Aku dapet job nih ke Rayleigh. Dan kayaknya bakal menjadi my last job. So ya jam 1.56 ya, jam 2 lah. Jam 2 dan gue di berapa tadi? 187 20 sen 187. So ini jab ini ke Riley ini paling 20-an ini guys, 20-an. Birdfield Way ini di mana nih? So ya kurang lebih 20 guys. Dan ini abis ini jab udah pasti 200 gue kan. So ya gue males aja walaupun baru jam 2 ya. Males saya mau balik lagi ke sini guys. Gue rasa juga 200 cukup ya. Maunya sih lebih, sampai nggak mau ya. Kecuali gue dapet job di sana ya. Cuma kayaknya kemungkinan Raleigh itu udah beda kota guys udah. Saya gue kalau dari Raleigh gue mau pulang itu 10 menitan udah sampai lah. So ya kayaknya gue bakal. Cuma ini dia ada nih. Karena ini gue tahu nih customer ini nih. Dia juga suka ngetip dia nih. Di sini ada nih, dia udah booking juga balik lagi jam 4:30. Saya gue nggak bakal nunggu lah yang jelas, cuma ya lebih ke ini sini kemungkinan besar gue pulang habis ini, apalagi 2 hari ini ya, terus mau edit video lagi guys. Kayaknya mendingan pulang aja, apalagi ini kelihatan mau hujan lagi nih, mobil udah cuci guys. besok paling hujan lagi. Cuma ya udah lah ya, emang mobil gue mau udah kotor banget, jadi ya sudah waktunya. Cuma emang hari ini gimana ya, gue baru makan guys, asli gue baru dapat kesempatan makan tadi jam 1 guys. Seharian sibuk enggak ya, cuma itu enggak, gimana jelasinnya, maksudnya itulah, nggak sibuk tapi ya nggak sepi-sepi juga. Itu dia tuh. Alright guys, sampai ketemu di Riley. Alright guys, udah sampai nih rumah anaknya. Ternyata gue baru tahu. Ini kedua kali gue bawa dia kesini nih. Riley, berarti gue dikasih 25 guys. Tagihan cuma 21.40. Asli guys, di Canvey Island cuma ada 2 taksi dong. Oh guys, gimana nih? Gimana? Pulang atau dapat tip 3 pound 60 sen. So now guys, jam 2:23. Dan gue di 212. Ini 2 juta 2,5 udah guys nih. Sorry, 2,5 lagi. 5,5. Nih gue buat jaga-jaga ini, gue screenshot aja nih. Ya kalau gue mau pulang langsung aja. Langsung lock off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 23 jam. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6. Ya, 22. Satu itu tuh yang orang office. Free ride. Gak bisa ngeliat lah. Tadi mobil gue ada kamera nih. Angle-nya dapet. Wih, ada mobil datang. So ini rail ini ya. Dulu gue waktu food delivery, ini mah daerah gue ini. Oh guys, it's busy guys. It's busy. It's busy. Jam 2, setengah 3. Gini lah orang pelin-pelan ya. Waduh. One car needed. Kalaupun gue balik ya, paling-paling gue nambah berapa sih? Itu biasanya pertimbangan gue. Kalaupun gue dapet taruh 50, dapat 250-an, 260, ya bagus sih. Ini railway station, train station ya. Asli nggak ada taksi satupun yang available di Canvey. Kalau gue balik ke Canvey, kemungkinan nih gue bakal sampai jam 5 lagi. Itu juga satu pertimbangan itu kalau gue balik lagi ke Canvey. Karena asli tinggal gue doang sekarang. Dan gue di Rayleigh. Tinggal gue doang yang nggak ada job. Well guys, sudah ambil keputusan dan sudah bulat. Becek lagi. Balik ke Canvey guys. 1,5 jam lagi lah. Pulang jam 4. Coba genapin 2.50. Right then, see you back in Canvey. Alright guys, so gue baru isi bensin guys ya. Isi bensin aja guys, 45 pound, 1 juta guys. Kalau kosong banget biasanya 50 deh, 50 pound. Ya, si bensin 1 juta. Nah itu biasanya ya bakal full tank nih. Cuma karena ini winter ya, biasa gue dapet di 600 lebih. Ini karena winter nggak sampai nih 572 nih range-nya. Ini miles ya. Jadi ini biasanya kurang lebih 4-5 hari lah, tergantung sibuknya ya. 4-5 hari. Jadi biasanya gue 1 minggu itu 6 hari kerja. Biasanya 60 sampai 80 ya, tergantung lagi. Gue suka banget nih mobil depan ini nih, Polestar Volvo ya. Satu brand lah. Sayangnya elektrik. So ini jam 3:49. Nah tadi office ya nanya ke gue SMS, gue mau nggak tuh yang job Riley itu baliknya jam 4:30. Gue bilang enggak. Gue bilang gue mau pulang jam 4, cuma dia nggak bales. Nah ini nih 10 menit lagi jam 4 guys. Dan ya lagi ya sibuk, nggak banyak ini taksi yang online. Cuma gue niat tetap jam 4 pulang guys. Coba update berapa ini, udah deket banget nih guys, 250 asli. Oh malah 245 guys, udah 245 80. So habis nijab udah guys 250. Mungkin gue mau lakuin 1 job lagi. Salah satu masalah dengan kerjaan ini ya guys, satu lagi gitu, nggak pernah habis. Oke, ini dia Ruby. Ini kayaknya kerja di McDonald's nih, karena dia perginya ke McDonald's. Ini paling 6-7 pound ini. Come on Ruby, kayaknya gue pernah dapet deh nih. Bakal keluar dari pintu samping nih, anak muda cewek. Ini Wardah nih kan? Iya. Oh iya. Ya betul, kerja di McDonald's.
Hi, you alright?
Halo, I'm good. You? McDonald's ya?
Yeah, thank you. Do you take card?
Yes, I do. We have to take cards now anyway. It's from the
Oh,
council, yeah. So if you find any drivers,
Yeah.
not accepting card, you can report them.
Yeah, because my granddad's a taxi driver and he never used to take
Yeah.
card.
Heading to McDonald's, Morrison's.
Doing your night shift.
Yeah, I just can't be bothered. Do 11 o'clock as well.
11. It's not so bad, at least.
Well, I've been at my other job. I finished there at 2. I did 8 till 2 there. Now
Oh,
I'm
blimey.
here.
So you got 2 jobs.
Yeah.
I mean, one is not enough, eh?
Oh, it's draining. It's draining.
Well, must be tired. Like.
Honestly. Well, it's all money in it. That's what
Well, I
chose
know
to
in
do
the
myself.
end it's money, but
Oh, it's just so much.
money. Especially when everything gets so expensive
I
now.
know, it's ridiculous. I go to college as well and trying to fit that in so much. It costs me like 50 quid a week to get to and from college.
Oh, blimey. You don't drive, obviously, huh?
And I've got to pay for that as well. Oh, it's just too
I
much.
know. But when obviously when you able to drive, then you're gonna save lots of money.
Yeah, exactly. I'll save so much more money.
But obviously in front, you're gonna spend not.
Yeah. Oh, it's ridiculous.
I used to do food delivery, so Canfi is one of But I'm basically based in Hadley, Rayleigh.
Yeah.
But obviously, once in a while, I used to come to Canvey.
Yeah.
But that was like, what,
Yeah.
3 years ago?
Really?
Then I'm doing this, and then, yeah.
Yeah. We've got so many different like Uber drivers now. Like obviously they do the delivery.
Yeah.
There's new ones in every day.
Oh, yeah. Even like me now, I just don't get it. People still want to do that job, you know, because
Yeah.
even when I left 2023,
Yeah.
22, 23, even with just it, they reduced the fee like twice in 1 year.
Really?
That time we averaged like getting like, when I started doing coffee, it was like 6-8 quid per job,
Yeah.
and then down to 6-5, and then when I left, it's only about like 4 or 5 quid if you're lucky.
Yeah, that ain't great.
No, it's not.
Great.
Back in the days, like double job like can get at least 8-10 quid.
Yeah.
Most of the time like 12 quid. When I left, it's like 6-7 quid.
Yeah, that's bad. That is bad.
But I still have my friends, you know, still doing, just eat, Uber Eats.
Yeah.
But like me now doing this, there's just no way I'm
Yeah.
going back doing that.
No, there's no point.
There's no point. It's really hard earned money, eh?
Yeah. And like the Uber drivers, like they could be waiting there for like say 10 minutes or so for their food. So it's just a waste of their
I
time.
know, you're still waiting.
Yeah. It's too much. But obviously like when they don't get their food, sometimes they get a bit annoyed and I'm like, I can't make it go any faster.
Yeah, that's the thing. Obviously, there are drivers, that just don't get. I never have issue, you know, because obviously, I understand, you know,
Yeah.
we all just trying to make money, you know.
Yeah.
It's not like you do it on purpose.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I say to them.
You got not enough people to work, then you're just gonna have to wait.
Yeah, exactly. Like sometimes I do get their frustration, but then other times I'm like, oh, I can't make it.
Yeah.
So you just have to wait, unfortunately.
Like me now, obviously, I have to deal with people now.
Yeah.
They just
Yeah.
even to be honest, like now I'm doing this. This is my 4th year, and to be honest, like I had enough, you know.
Really?
Driving, and I mean, try to earn money is already stressful enough,
Yeah.
you know. But I have to deal now with so many people, and then on the road, it's just too much stress now driving.
Yeah, no, I bet. My granddad says that though, because sometimes you'll get people like coming in his cab and like they're just not very nice people.
Oh yeah.
And like obviously you can't kick them out. You just got to
Yeah,
go.
exactly. I can't just pick and choose, say you know.
Like I wouldn't be able to listen to granddad. I wouldn't be able to do it because if I like someone's been rude to me or anything like that, I'd be like, get out of my car. Obviously you can't.
Yeah, I know. I have a friend of mine. He also a taxi driver, but he's working in Rayleigh Best Tax. He told me one time, because of obviously the passenger, it just not a nice passenger. He asked them to go out, you know, go out.
Yeah,
He just left them whenever, you know, go out, you know.
yeah. It's not worth it.
I never, I never done, even though I could, you know.
Yeah, you could. It's your car, really.
But it just
Yeah, some
dealing with
say-
people is another stress in
It is,
itself, you
yeah.
know.
Like,
Same like
it's
obviously you work in McDonald's, you know, so many
Mhm.
people
Yeah.
coming in and out.
Like, I feel like because I work at my other job's working at a nursery, I feel like I deal with children. Like, I
Ah.
come here and I'm dealing with more children. Like,
Yeah, probably it's better dealing with children.
yeah. Oh, it's too much.
At least children's children, you know.
Yeah, like,
what
just
can
put
you
it in the
do?
corner and just like leave it.
Yeah.
Any other time, I can't really be doing that. No, it's stressful. But I'm just hoping the shift goes quick tonight.
Yeah. Well, hopefully.
Yeah. It's half term, so I'm hoping it's not too busy.
Mm. But it's half term, right?
Yeah. So you probably have all the kids out.
Yeah.
Like sometimes you get kids coming to McDonald's and they just throw stuff around. Like,
Kids again, even the teenagers. Here is fine, eh?
yeah, perfect.
Look, all these drivers waiting.
I know, it's ridiculous, isn't it? It is ridiculous. And like you see them all running in for food. Food's not there.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah. No worry. Well,
Thank
have
you
you a
so
good
much.
shift.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too, you too. Bye, bye.
Pick up Glyn at Waterside Farm, 3rd Avenue.
Alright, guys. So that's Ruby, guys. Gila deh, 2 jam guys, 2 jam. Cuma ya itulah intinya, mau bertahan hidup, dan dia juga masih kuliah. Ini makanya di sini gue sukanya ya, maksudnya anak-anak tuh dididik betul-betul, lo harus bisa itu mandiri istilahnya kan. Nah aku dapet job nih guys dari sini nih ke Lee, so habis ini gue pulang. Ini si Stacy tahu aja nih apa, untung dia ngerti ya. Cuma ini gue ada bini gue titipan. Ini customer bisa nunggu lah, dia baru order catnya. Mau ambil titipan bini gue nih di sini nih, Mark and Spencer. Nggak tahu dia beli apa. Itu di sana, depan sana, aku mau kasih sini aja. Coba gue lari bentar ya, mudah-mudahan nggak ada halangan. Alright guys, happy day guys, nice and quick. Nggak ada 5 menit lah itu nih. Ini gue biasa doain belanja. Right, going home. Yes, thank you Stacy. Thank you Stacy, dikasih job. Arah pulang nih paling nih 15-17 pound. Glen. Right. So tadi 7 ya. 245 tambah 7 252. Ya kan? So kurang lebih 252 jam 4 lewat 4 guys. 4 lewat 4, cuma gue masih akan dapat lagi nih. Paling enggak 15 pound. Coba balap gue. Alright guys, see you later guys.
One car needed station.
Alright guys. Tadi udah sampai gue di Lin ya, gue langsung pulang nih. Dia bilang nggak apa-apa masuk sampai ke dalam nih, jadi gue di dalam. Asli lovely lady.
Car needed central.
17.40 guys, gue dikasih tip 1 pound jadi 18.40. So nanti gue kasih tahu apa sih hasil penghasilan gue hari ini ya. But gue mau bilang tadi ya, yang tadi cewek yang McDonald tuh, yang kerja di McDonald, gue mau bilang apa sih tadi ya? Oh iya, gue baru ingat. So guys, gue mau bilang, gue nggak akan terjemahin ya pembicaraan sama dengan video yang kemarin kan, karena ya buang waktu. Makanya ini gue mau bilang aja, kalau kalian yang ngerti ya bagus lah. Cuma gue mau bilang aja percakapan gue sama dia nih. Jadi tadi cuma ya itu kita ngomongin, gue bilang ke dia, gue tadinya sebelum kerja ini gue food delivery, jadi dan McDonald's di Canvey itu gue biasa lah ke situ, walaupun nggak sering, cuma gue biasa. Dan ya akhirnya dia, oh oke. And ya sampai kita ngomongin ngadepin biasa ya kerjaan yang kita harus hadepin orang gitu loh, kayak gue ini nih, apa, ngadepin orang. Dan orang kan ya itu beda-beda ya, beda-beda, ada yang ngeselin, ada yang enggak, ya kan, sama. Dan dia juga gitu loh, makanya tadi dia tuh mau masuk kerja aja mikirin shiftnya nanti sampai jam 11 malam aja. Dia bilang udah pusing gitu loh, panjang. Dia berharap tuh shiftnya bakal, makanya kerjanya bakal mudah, nggak bakal nyusahin. And ya, so ya intinya sih itu aja guys, omongan gue sama dia tadi itu. Ini gue lewat mana ya? Lewat mana? Ini kita udah di Lyon sini. And ya tadi jemputnya ya dapat oma-oma. Nah oma-oma yang tadi itu dia tinggal di sini. Dia lagi ikut kelas fitness gitu ya. Kelas fitnessnya pun dari NHS itu di sini tuh NHS itu apa, rumah sakit pemerintah punya ya. Dan semua pengeluaran dia tuh ditanggung sama pemerintah, termasuk ya dia ikut kelas ini karena dia ada masalah dengan pernafasan dia. Makanya tadi selesai pas sampai dia minta kwitansi karena dia akan tagih itu ke rumah sakit pengeluaran dia. Cuma dia bilang Kenvi kejauhan karena di Southend ada, jadi bakal gabung di Southend karena ya lebih dekat aja. So ya, back to the laptop, kata Tukul ya. So hari ini guys, nah ini jam 4.34 ya, 4.34. Gue ambil screenshot dulu guys. Gue belum lock off lagi. Mustang tadi gue right, ntar guys. So tadi sejak gue balik ke Kenvi ya jam 2:30, gue cuma lakuin berapa jam nih, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 guys. Nah dari 7 jam itu gue dapet 7 jam 60, hampir 60 pound guys, 60 pound. And total ini penghasilan akhir gue, gue lock off dulu lah. Thank you again Stacy. So ya, total 271 dan 20 sen. Total kerja jam, gue keluar mulai 6:30, kurang lebih 10 jam lah guys. 10 jam, 4, 5, 6, ya 10 jam lah kurang lebih. So ya 271. Nah kayak gini kan ya, kemarin 235 ketutup lah dengan 271 nih. And yang paling penting kita lihat total nih guys, 3 hari kerja. Tededeng. Sih. Oh iya betul. So total nih 3 hari gue kerja nih ya, udah 861 pound 90 sen. Kalau gue mau nebak, kurang lebih udah ya 8 kali 2 aja udah 16 ya. 16 juta, 17, 18 jutaan lah ya. 18 jutaan biar nggak salah guys. Gue bakal kasih sini di layar nih, cuma biar 861 boleh mak. Jauh banget guys. 19 juta guys 622. Bloody hell guys, cuma butuh 15-20 pound udah 20 juta. So ya 19 juta, 6 3 hari kerja guys. Jangan dibandingin ya. Gue kasih tahu aja ya, mungkin gue udah pernah bilang kayaknya. Gue sebelum gue meninggalkan Indonesia ya guys, sebelum gue meninggalkan Indonesia, gue kerja tuh di perusahaan ekspor impor di Tanjung Priok ya. Nih Southern Hospital guys. Udah tahu. Nah, gue tinggal nggak ada 5 menit udah sampai nih. Bini gue tadinya kerja di sini guys. Makanya kita pindah ke sini Southern, deket rumah sakit. Balik lagi tadi gue ngomongin iya gue kerja perusahaan ekspor impor guys sambil gue kuliah guys. Sebelum gue meninggalkan Indonesia, gue tuh gajinya guys ini 1 bulan 1,2 juta. Ini kembali di tahun gue tinggalin Indonesia tuh tahun 2010 ya, itulah 2005 2006 gue kuliah sampai 2010 gue tamat ya. Gue kerja guys 1.200.000 1 bulan. Gue inget banget gue nyicil motor waktu itu 500.000 guys. Jadi udah hampir setengah dari gaji aja tiap bulan tuh udah bablas. Kalau mau hitung setahun itu, setahun kali 10 aja 12 juta ya. Kurang lebih segitulah. Nah ini gue guys 3 hari kerja udah mau 20 juta. Udah lebih dari apa sih kerja gue 1 tahun waktu ya, walaupun tahun beda ya. Cuma sekarang pun gue tahu maksudnya di Indonesia masih banyak tuh orang tuh yang nerima tuh gaji tuh yang 1 jutaan gitu loh ya kan, pasti ada. Cuma itu dia lagi ya, biaya hidup kan ya beda. Cuma ya itu gue bilang biaya hidup beda. Gue tadi isi bensin aja guys sudah 1 juta guys. 1 juta cuma buat berapa? 3-4 hari selesai. Cuma tetap kualitas, maksudnya gue bilang apa tadi? Maksudnya di sini tuh gue udah bilang ulang ya, lo walaupun kerja tuh cuma di kios kayak tadi tuh cewek di McDonald's gitu guys, cuma narima tuh yang upah minimum. McDonald's sih sedikit di atas minimum ya, dan sekarang upah minimum kayaknya 11, 12 pound gitu lah. Waktu gue datang ke sini tahun 2016 guys, upah minimum tuh di 7-8 pound. Bayangin aja 10 tahun guys. Udah mau 10 tahun. Tahun ini gue 10 tahun di sini. Udah mau 10 tahun naiknya cuma segitu aja. Cuma walaupun segitu, poinnya gue bilang tadi, walaupun lu cuma kerja di McDonald's, istilah lu bisa beli iPhone yang paling baru gitu loh. Di Indonesia ya kan, jangankan kerja di McDonald's, lo kerja kantoran aja belum tentu ya kan. Bisa cuma harus puasa berapa lama ya kan istilahnya ya. So ya, ini gue tinggal lewatin nih lampu belok kanan udah sampai. Ya, itu aja guys vlog untuk hari ini. Kita ketemu lagi besok guys. Jangan lupa guys, semangat terus, sukses selalu buat kalian. And yeah, jangan lupa like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one, okay? Bye-bye.